If you are new to my channel, please press on the subscribe button and click on the bell icon. Hello viewers, today I will show you how to make designer kurti from this old sari. This is the base material and this is the old sari. I have double folded this base material. I am marking the shoulder as a 7. From there again 7 for the armhole. Now join the both points. This length I am taking as 10. Half body I am marking as 14 and half. And the broadness I am marking as 10. Now join these both points. For armhole, from the corner you mark 1 and from that point draw the curve like this. Again extra half I am taking here for the alteration purpose and all. Now cut this base material. Now I will cut the bottom part of the base material. So I have double folded this material. Mark the half body as 10. I have taken the length of this material as 22. From that point, join the last point and start cutting it. Cut the extra part. Half body I have taken as 14 and half. So this is not needed. To cut the front part, so I have folded this material. So I am using the base material for the outline. So I want only this much part of the border. So adjust it accordingly. I don't want the blue border of the saree. So this much border only I want in the middle part. Blue part I will cut and this will go inside the sieving. I'm cutting the blue part. So I want a very small border in the middle portion. I'm marking the neck broadness as 3 and 5 as the deepness of the neck. Now I will directly draw the curve by joining these 2 points. If you want, you can draw a square like this. And from the corner you can mark 1 or half as you want. Now for the back piece, I have again folded this saree and I am using the base material for the outline. Now directly cut this material. Now our back piece is ready. So for the neck, I am marking 3 as the broadness and 2.5 deep neck I am marking. So the 2 pieces are ready. This is the back part. Front part we will join in the middle as they are open. Now for the sleeves, I am folding this saree like this. Again I am folding it. I want the broadness as 9.5. And length I want 15 inch.
Take 2.5.
So from here you mark 2.5. Roughly draw this.
And armhole.
Armhole I want 6.
I'm marking at 6.
Join the both point.
Join this again. Now cut it down.
Now cut it. So the sleeves are ready. Now I am cutting the neck of the base material. So this is for the back part. So the back part is ready now. Keep it aside. Now we'll cut the front part neck in the same manner. Place the front piece on the base material. 5-inch deep neck I have taken. So this is the remaining material. Go on folding it in this way, like this. So I have got 7 folds. Nicely arrange it and start cutting the extra material. So now I will cut the strips for the base part. So length I want 32.5. This border I want. From here you mark 1.5 inch. Now join this both points. And start cutting it. Now I have got the 7 strips. So now I will place the strips on the remaining material. In this way you have to place them. And start cutting the remaining material. So in total you will get 14 strips. After cutting the strips, you have to join each strip by placing one over the other. In the middle you have to sew it like this. You have to sew in the middle. And again you have to go on joining the remaining strips in the same manner. So this will look in this way. Now I have joined the base material and the front part from the neck like this. In the same manner I have joined the back part. Now for shoulder joining, place the back material in this way, and above that you have to place the front part. For the clean look, place it nicely above this. Join all the part together and put a stitch over there. So in this way you will get the clean look. On the both sides you have to do same thing. Here also I have attached all the 7 strips like this. Finally join the bottom part and the top part. From the middle you have to sieve it in this way like this, and for the back part also you have to do the same thing. So this is our back part, and from the middle you have to sieve. So this will be the look. So the beautiful anarkali is ready now. It is giving perfect ethnic look. You can use this anarkali for any festivals, occasions. This is the final look of the anarkali. And if you want to see the stitching video, you can check my channel. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel. And to get regular notification, please press the bell icon.